It enhances plant growth by allowing the development of new shoots and leaves, resulting in increased productivity. It helps neutralize the soil pH. Hello, friends, good evening. I am Priya from Evergreen Garden. In today's episode, we will learn about a fertilizer which is very essential and important in summer days. It is a cool fertilizer and it is a best one in summer season. So let's get started. If you like the content, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you, friends. Friends, vermicompost is a great alternative for synthetic fertilizer. Vermicompost acts as an organic fertilizer in soil enriched vegetable potting mixes. What makes vermicompost a finer option is its ability to improve soil structure and increase its water holding capacity. Since the hormones present in the earthworm, compost can help plants to grow, so it plays a crucial role in producing an improvement crop yield. This kind of natural support for the plants is not available with chemical fertilizers. Vermicompost is also known to improve the health of the roots of the plant. Vermicompost release nutrition in a timely manner by providing the soil with a long term nutrition exposure which promotes plant health and its longevity. In all, vermicompost not only makes up for what one's yield may lose with exposure to chemical fertilizers but also helps to produce a better, healthier, organic, and safe to consume the crop. Let's see how we make it for our fertilizer. You can take vermicompost according to your plants. This is a good amount for my plants. Pour it into water and leave it for 10 to 15 hours. Keep it aside. After 15 hours, the richness of vermicompost will be mixed in water. In addition, vermicompost improves soil aeration, allowing air to circulate through the soil, which is turn keeps the soil mixture rich and alive in nutrients. It also enriches the soil with microorganisms, adding enzymes such as phosphate and cellulose. With the addition of vermicompost, the microbial activity in soil increases by 10 to 20 times, and this is good for our plants. Once the soil is enriched by microorganism by way of vermicomposting, it adds plant hormones such as auxins and gibberellic acid which help in growing healthy plants and yield. Friends, after 15 hours, you should strain out this liquid. You can use any pesticide from market. Another benefits of vermicompost is one that helps not just you but also your surroundings. It is a great practice for the eco-friendly environment conscious population as it helps reduce the emission of greenhouse gases such as methane and nitric oxide. Friends, it is a very natural or a friendly environment friendly fertilizer, we can say. You can strain out and fill it in your spray bottle, then spray all over your plants leaves. This is such an amazing fertilizer in summer. As the compost passes through the body of the worms, it gets enriched with bacteria and microbes, which is turn makes it rich in humus and nutrients. It also helps plants to become more disease resistant and repel pests. Friends, it is very helpful to remove mealybugs, ants, and any other diseases from your plants. Friends, vermicompost is not very costly. It is simple to use and manage, as well as cost effective and odorless. The important thing is vermicompost comprises a variety of micro and micronutrients, vitamins, enzymes, and hormones such as auxins and gibberellins, among other things. That's why I said this is a best fertilizer for summer. While your plants are actively growing, add soil amendments with a high nutritional value. I'm not saying you shouldn't put it in the garden bed whenever you like, but that's when it makes the most sense for the plants. Both vegetable and ornamental plants can benefit from vermicompost outstanding water holding properties in the spring, summer, and fall. Friends, you can spray it in every week or 10 to 15 days. Since I am using for my plants growth, or I can use this in indoor plants and outdoor both, and the result is very good. And friends, one more thing, vermicompost is an excellent supplement for starting seeds since it is nutrient rich and aids in the growth or young plants. Simply add a small amount to seed starting medium. If you are starting seeds indoors, simply sprinkle it down the trench or into the seeds holes you drilled for outdoor